Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Galaxy Watch to an iPhone. The straightforward answer is that you cannot directly connect a Galaxy Watch to an iPhone in a fully functional way. Samsung's smartwatches are designed to work seamlessly with Android devices, primarily Samsung phones. While some unofficial workarounds might exist, they are often unreliable and offer very limited functionality, making them impractical for daily use. Therefore, the only truly effective way to use a Galaxy Watch is with a compatible Android phone. The primary reason for this incompatibility stems from the lack of a dedicated Galaxy wearable app for iOS. This essential application manages all the core features, settings, and notifications for your Galaxy Watch. Without it, the watch cannot properly communicate with an iPhone. Furthermore, Apple's ecosystem is tightly integrated with its own Apple Watch, creating a closed environment. Different operating systems, Wear OS on Galaxy Watches and Watch OS on Apple Watches, also contribute to these significant barriers. If you are an iPhone user seeking a smartwatch, your best option is undoubtedly an Apple Watch. These devices offer unparalleled integration with iOS, providing a seamless experience for calls, messages, and health tracking. Alternatively, several other smartwatch brands, such as Garmin or Fitbit, offer models with robust cross-platform compatibility, including full support for iPhones. When choosing, prioritize features like accurate health monitoring, reliable notifications, and a strong app ecosystem that aligns with your needs. To ensure the best possible smartwatch experience, it is highly recommended to pair an Apple Watch with your iPhone. Attempting to connect a Galaxy Watch to an iPhone through unofficial means will likely lead to frustration due to severely limited functionality and potential instability. Always select a smartwatch that natively supports your smartphone's operating system to unlock its full potential. Thoroughly investigate compatibility details before making any purchase to avoid disappointment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.